oh, my camera looks so bad. Only if I had a little bit of lighting to make my camera look so much better. Let's talk about how you can improve your camera quality with a very cheap fix. Let's get started. Before we get into anything, I just want to say thank you for stopping by. I'm Cyrus, and I'm here to improve your stream not only for you, but also for your viewers by showing you tips and tricks like what we're going to talk about today. Make sure you check me out on Twitch. I stream 3 days a week. Also, jump in the Darkness Discord. I would love for you to have a whole bunch of opportunities to connect with them and connect with me on Twitch as well as on Discord, and just ask me questions if you need them. Also, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell for notifications so you don't miss awesome tricks like this. So what you just saw me do is I actually have 2 LED bulbs that are pointing right at me that I'm able to control with an app. And I'm actually using Wiz Smart Bulbs. You can pick these up at any of your local hardware stores and put them in any kind of a lamp situation. But really what I want to talk about is why it's important to have lights hitting you. Your camera has a little sensor inside, and that sensor is very sensitive. I said that a whole lot. Why did I do that? But anyway, it's very sensitive to how much light hits that sensor. And I'll go ahead and demonstrate again. If I turn off my lights, what you're going to see is right here how grainy, you can see like how much it's changing just having my phone light on me, but how grainy the light is and how much this here. A lot of people will actually start seeing some frames drop because of how much lighting is not there and the camera's trying to work so hard. And so by just turning on, like this is my key light, the one that I have in front of me, by just turning on that key light, I'm getting a much clearer video. And I want you to make sure that you understand that that one light hitting you is so good. And I have a light that's actually hitting me from the side with that's just an accent light that's a blue. And I want to show you actually what these lights look like. So I'm going to go ahead and unclamp one. Also, if you're curious what webcam I'm currently using, I just did a video on it. I'll link that up here in the card, as well as put the YouTube thumbnail for that video right here. Go look at that video and I'll go ahead and show you what this webcam does, how much it was. It's actually really cheap. I think it was like 50 bucks. Anyway, go check that out. All right, so here are one of the lights. This is actually I think it's maybe $10 for a clamp light like this. And for this, it's just a work light and it has a little clamp. And I'm actually clipping it to an old monitor that's kind of acting like my second PC kind of streaming monitor. And then on the inside, again, this is just an LED bulb. The one I got is a Wiz Smart Bulb and it has an app that accompanies it. But you can pick up any of them that actually have a remote that does it, whatever the case. But I recommend you getting an LED bulb because you're actually able to control not only the color, but you're able to control the temperature as well. Now, when I talk about temperature, that's just talking about how bright or white the light is, or how more amber or more orange and more sunset light it kind of is. So I'm going to go ahead and take mine and I'm actually going to shift the color more towards that amber side. And you can see I'm actually switching more closer around to the 2200, 2500, 3000 Kelvin. And you can see I'm getting a little bit more skin tone here, but as I pull it closer to that daylight side, I'm getting that brighter white light. I feel like it's a little bit more of a modern look. I personally like this. Even this it looks pretty good. And most of your webcams will go ahead and take this and adjust it. And you can adjust your white balance on your webcam as well. Or if you have a DSLR or mirrorless, whatever the case, you can still do those adjustments on those cameras as well. So I'm going to take mine back to the settings that I were at, and we'll go ahead and talk about where you can pick this stuff up. All right, so we're over in the PC, and I just want to show you some options if you wanted to pick them up from Amazon and just have them shipped to you. These are a couple of things that I found. These are Govee LED bulbs. That's a 2-pack. And within these, you're going to be getting an application that you control not only the color, scenes, you can have them linked to your microphone, a whole bunch of options, as you can see there. It also has it to where you can shift between cool white as well as that warm white, as I mentioned earlier, as well as any kind of color you want. You can have it RGB flow if you want. You can plug it in. This is actually a 60 watt equivalent bulb, which I found is just fine. And these are $27.99. Also, you're going to be able to get these clamp lights like ones that I have that just cost, I think it's $16.99. So these are like basically, you know, $8, a little bit over $8 a piece that you can send to you, and basically get 2 lights hitting you. Your fill light, which is coming from the side, like this one is my fill light, And then the one that's coming from the front is called your key light. That's your main light. You definitely want your key to definitely be that white that's going to hit you, and you don't want to put too much brightness on you. And that's it, guys. Make sure you go check me out on all my social medias. I stream 3 days on Twitch. Jump down in the Discord, come be a part of that community. We really love having new people and connecting with you. Yeah, just come ask me questions, whether it be on Twitch or Discord. And also make sure you hit a thumbs up if you enjoyed this, smash that subscribe button, and ring that bell for notifications so that you don't miss one of these videos. I'm Cyrus, and welcome to the darkness. We'll catch you next time.